Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab again. Today we're going to be talking about the notes on the third string. Third string. Let me just pick up the demonstration here. Here's number 3. Okay, G open string. This is what it looks like. Okay, you'd see it's on the second line. And that's the G. And the other note is A. A, you see here, is on the second space. It's the second finger, second fret. Let's take a look at that. Remember, play close to the fret. All right. For those that have the Mel Bay book, we're talking about page 11. All right. There's a brief exercise, a study, what they call study on the third string, and then there's a tune below that that's going to encompass the second and the third string. Sparkling Stella, you know it as Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play a little bit of the exercise on the third string. Okay, it's called the study of the third string. All right, for those that don't have the Mel Bay book, we're dealing with the third string. Again, I know I've mentioned this in previous videos. Please let me know what method you're using, the name of the book. Again, chances are I'm familiar with it. All right, because that way with your questions, it'll be a little bit easier for me to answer right away instead of maybe going back and forth 3 or 4 times. Okay, as normal, we get the metronome going. I'm at 50 beats a minute. All right. The exercise is in 4/4 time. I don't think we need to review, 4 beats per measure, and we count quarters, okay? All right, we're getting ready to rock. As usual, give us the 4 count and use the and in between because we want to feel it swing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, it's not all the exercise, but it's most of it. But you get the drift, what's going on here. We have the whole notes, the half notes, quarter notes. Another thing important on page 12, again, with the Mel Bay book. Other methods, again, I don't know offhand, but we're also going to be dealing what we did in a previous video on pickup notes and on the tie. All right. Some people I know went ahead and used, saw this already. That's why I said previous. Okay. Actually, you should be doing it now along with the video I have for the simple chords, the 2 chords with a little song. All right. Now would be the time after the third string that would be using that. All right. Again, for the remainder of the exercises on the third string, okay, on pages 11, 12, 13, okay, of the Mel Bay book, you need to be familiar with the pickup and with the tie to get through these pieces. All right, let's see what you come up with. All right, and again, as always, questions, throw your comments out there. I will get back to you within 48 hours. Okay, again, you like it, please, subscribe so we could get the word out. Listen, thank you very much and enjoy your day.